Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Dream. In my channel